Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Timeless token. Ticker symbol is LIT, L-I-T. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. I believe CoinGecko as well, don't quote me on that, but it's definitely just got listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an Ethereum token. Most Ethereum tokens will get listed on Uniswap, but this one, according to their Etherscan and CoinMarketCap, says that this token is available on Balancer. Balancer V2, it is paired with USDC. So that's where you would get it. And according to their Etherscan, they only have 57 holders so far. So not a lot of holders. 57 is a very low amount. And it's actually down 9% today, this token, sitting at 1.5 cents per token. TimelessFI.com is their official webpage, which is short for Timeless Finance. Now, they also have a Twitter listed here on CoinMarketCap at Timeless_FI. They have a Discord and a GitHub. So yeah, according to their Etherscan, only 57 holders, 127 transfers, 18 decimal places. Max total supply is 550 million tokens. Also on their Etherscan, they have a contact email and a full white paper if you want to check that out. Document section. If you go over to their official webpage, timelessfi.com, you can connect your wallet on there. It looks like it says Ethereum on here, but maybe in the future there'll be more chains available. It says Boost, Swap, Mint, Burn, Factory, Portfolio, Pool, Analytics, and LBP are the the many things listed at the top of the page here. So it says, do more with your yield. Timeless is a yield market protocol that lets you boost, hedge, and trade yield. And they have an application that you can launch right on their page here. Unlock your yield's potential. With Timeless, you can do so much more than putting your money in a yield farm. Boost your yield, hedge against falling yield rates, or speculate on yield rate changes. So it says, do you want to earn more from your yield? Timeless lets you do exactly that. Boost your yield up to 2 times for any supported farm. You could hedge against falling yield rates. It says, worried that yield rates might fall, Timeless enables you to hedge against such risks, earn a stable yield rate regardless of future rate changes. You could trade future yield changes. So it says, do you think you know how yield rates might change? Well, Timeless lets you put your money where your mouth is, speculate on future yield rate changes by trading Timeless yield tokens. Yield tokens do all the hard work. Timeless is powered by yield tokens, specially designed ERC20 tokens, whose values are related to yield rates. Each farm corresponds to a set of 3 yield tokens. So the first one is PYT, which is perpetual yield tokens. Boost and trade yield. PYT lets the holder claim the yield generated by the underlying assets. PYT goes up in price when the yield rate goes up. Also, negative yield tokens, where you can hedge and trade yield. The price of NYT moves opposite to how the yield rate moves. If the rate goes up, NYT goes down. If the rate goes down, NYT goes up. And lastly, the compound perpetual yield token, which is XPYT, auto compound the yield earned into more PYT. So XPYT makes it easier to boost your yield and decreases the cost It also makes it easier to integrate Timeless into DeFi infrastructure. So Timeless is a yield market protocol. You can provide assets to Timeless and mint PYT and NYT. The assets will be deposited into the farm, and the yield earned can be claimed by the PYT holders. By holding either PYT or only NYT, you can build either a long position or short position on yield rates. So you can also go over how does the yield boosting work. That is available on the frequently asked questions here. What are the risks of yield boosting? How does yield hedging work? What are the risks of yield hedging? How do I price PYT and NYT based on the yield rate? What happens to my unclaimed yield when I transfer PYT? Should I hold PYT or XPYT? I want to deploy PYT, NYT, or XPYT for a farm. Can I do that? And how do I provide liquidity for Timeless yield tokens? So you can learn about all of those things. And you can also head over to docs.timelessfi.com. And they have smart guides on here, smart contracts, concepts, introduction, how to provide liquidity, smart contract architecture, what is Timeless. They have developer links for swappers, XPYT, all sorts of things on here. So let's check, see if they have, it looks like they have an audit on here. It says the Timeless smart contracts have been audited by Spearbit. So you can check that out. It says you could read the audit report here. You can find that on their white paper. They also have, basically anything you need to know about here. What is Timeless? Timeless is basically hedging, boosting, and speculation are the three main things that it talks about on here. Now their Twitter is doing way better than the token is actually doing, because the token only has 57 holders. Their Twitter has 7,268 followers. And it says, same thing, boost, hedge, and trade yield. Join us on Discord, it says. And they looks like they're pretty active on Twitter. They just tweeted yesterday. Pinned tweet here. It says, only 4 days left in the lit LBP. We'd like to thank everyone for participating so far and give another overview about lit. And will it be a game changer for DEX liquidity? So yeah, it's kind of strange that it's not on PancakeSwap yet, and it's only, not PancakeSwap. It's not on Uniswap yet, and it's only on Balancer. But that's where it is, and they have links to Balancer also on their Twitter if you want to check that out. But yeah, that's about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.